back in action. We're back in the action. We're back in the action, boys. She's got other plans. Hey man, so as you guys know, I've been real open and real honest of how we are doing on this YouTube channel within getting shared and not getting the D word, but getting the monetized word. It's because you guys are the only people I can really talk about this with. Last video got the D word, which means it didn't get shared, didn't get much money. Actually, I think we got like $4 from last video, which money isn't a thing. That's fine. We make money off sponsorships. But the big thing that kind of makes me like sad about it is I think I put like a decent amount of effort and thought into my videos, and for that reason, through that happening, the videos aren't getting shared. So if you guys want to give a huge thumbs up, comment down below, support the NameBran fam, bro. And honestly, the only jewelry reviewer on YouTube, as far as I know, that would be dope if we could just get the videos out. That's my main goal. All you need to do is thumbs up and comment down below. I've seen it work in the past, and hopefully we can keep that going, and I really appreciate that, man. And last thing, man, this video is not sponsored, so we're gonna sponsor it ourselves with our own website, NameBranFam.com. If y'all want jewelry somewhat like this, it's not gonna be real, it is gonna be fake, because I want to give you guys some real good prices. And when I mean prices, I mean free. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. Go check it out. There's a link down below. Something else we don't tell you on the website, you can get 2 free things for the price of 1 shipping in your order. So actually the other day I just approved some new jewelry on there, and I think you guys are really gonna dig it. You can get a tennis chain and a really dope ring for the price of 1 shipping. I think it's a no-brainer, and it also helps with us getting money so we can do more videos. Sick. Thank you. Link is down below. So let's get into this, man. I am so stoked. I've been waiting for these packages for the past 2 months. Now let me give you a little background on it. So a couple months ago, man, you know, I was brainstorming videos going online like I usually do. My girlfriend thinks I'm not working because she just sees me lying on the couch doing things, but I am working if you're watching this, Sarah. Anyway, I do a lot of online shopping. I went on this website called Wish. You guys have probably heard of it. If you haven't, what they sell is a bunch of cheap crap. It's like $1 or $2 or whatever. Just thousands of items are on that website, and you buy them for real cheap, and sometimes they're really dope. Weird website, kind of sick. It's like AliExpress, but it's called Wish. So while I was on this website, I actually, for some reason, and they usually only sell really, really cheap things, I searched up genuine jewelry, or genuine diamond jewelry, can't remember. Turns out they actually have like genuine diamond jewelry on there. I couldn't believe it. I didn't believe it, so I purchased some. I'm actually gonna go on the computer real quick and like show you guys what I'm talking about. I don't know if you guys frequent Wish, but this was like the craziest thing ever to me. Just like, all I know, the Maz is selling crap. I didn't know that they actually had some like really cool stuff on there. Alright, so here's what I'm talking about, man. We're just gonna go on Wish. Incognito mode, you guys aren't catching me slipping this time with my search history. So I went on here. I just actually want to freaking prove it to you guys. Let me just get through this real quick. So I just wanted to prove to you guys that this is actually a thing. I had no idea. I thought it was crazy. I think I searched genuine jewelry or genuine diamond, maybe. I think I searched genuine diamond. All right, let's go back. Lag. This sucks. Lag. So literally, all right, just look on here. Usually things are like $18. Things are real cheap. All of a sudden we start scrolling through and you see something for $25,000. For a diamond like tennis chain looking thing and stuff like that. As we keep scrolling, obviously there's still inexpensive stuff, but $266, we got $295, which I think is insane for Wish. I'm not sure. I don't really like know this website like that. And we'll keep scrolling. Look at $42 for that. I don't know if that's gonna be real diamond. $26, it's obviously gonna be fake. There's just a lot of crap. Look at $691 for this right here. It has to be real diamond. $698, $527. Wish has some real crap, bro. I'm trying not to swear, so I'm saying crap, and I hate that word, so just forgive me. And we go farther. $454 for this diamond chain, $502, $428. There's so much stuff that you can buy that apparently is real. I was stoked to see that. I thought that'd be a really good video idea. So today, here's new diamond jewelry off Wish. I spent about $1,000. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm probably gonna return it. Actually, 100% will. I might give a piece away if we can get 5,000 thumbs up within the day, because we've really been trying for that within 24 hours. If not, I'm just gonna send it back, return it. I don't think I got the best pieces. I just got kind of the cheapest ones. One was 400 something, one was 400 something. I just want to review and see what we can expect here. So that's what it is. Let's unbox these puppies real quick. I've been so stoked, man. This stuff took forever to come in the mail. Oh, shoot. First one comes in a box. First one right here. Let's unbox the other one, too. I'm gonna put up the suspense, man. I've been waiting too long to not do it. Next one right here. So this one comes in a dust bag. Very dope. So we're about $1,000 Canadian down right now. Let's see if we're happy with our pieces. This is weird. This is a big waste of money. That's why I'm returning it. All right, man. So let's just see. I don't know how we're gonna test the gold to see if it's real or not. I'm like, anything I talk about, I'm not educated on any of this. I don't know what I'm talking about. I usually talk up my ASS, but this is the first one weird so far, actually. Bad impression. Shoot! Maybe, so it's hollow on there, which actually kind of makes sense a little bit, but as I look, first off, this is not the same picture of the one that I purchased. I'm gonna post that there if I can find it, right there. I re-looked at the pictures that I had earlier. The one that I purchased did not have a crown as far as I know. The diamonds also, I don't know if you guys could tell, they look a little bit sketchy. They look really good on camera. They look really freaking sketchy though, man. Shh. I can't even do it justice. These diamonds can't be real. There's no way that these diamonds are real, bro. They look good on camera. You guys can't see in person. We're gonna take off the diamond tester. First off, 400 and whatever dollars, what I said. I don't know the exact amount. That's what we got. I can't tell the gold, but the diamonds don't look real. We're gonna leave that. Let's open up the other one. Now I'm really pissed. On to the next. This one, I think it was a praying hand. So we'll take it. First off, it's just stuck in there a little bit. Same crap, man. Back, that could be real gold. I'm not sure. I don't really know how to tell. The front, I just don't. This just looks absolutely awful. I guarantee before I even diamond test, this is an expensive diamond tester, it'll tell for sure. Guaranteed this is not real. Once again, I'm not losing money. I'm not mad about that, but that would have been freaking awesome because they had some really good prices stuff. Anyway, there's the praying hands. It does not look nearly like it did in the picture, and it's pissing me off because it looks a lot better on camera than it actually does, but you can just tell these stones were individually put. There's no reason to even diamond test. I'm going to still, but these are 100%. I've seen fake jewelry. This is fake. Poorly advertised, well, properly advertised because I bought it, but poorly, shoot. That's such a stressful day so far. I've realized all my videos haven't been monetized and I've been pissed off about that. Anyway, let me start this up a little bit and then we're gonna diamond test these puppies. Guaranteed they're not real though. I guarantee it. Alright, man, she's all heated up. I'm not gonna lie, I was really skeptical about this because they didn't have any info really in the description, but I thought with the price, searching up genuine diamonds, you'd think it would be it. Diamond tester, she's all set up. If it goes green, it's real. If it does nothing, it's not real. We'll get on a diamond right here. This is a praying hand one. Nothing. Nothing. I cannot believe that. And just to make sure the diamond tester is actually working right now, we'll put it on. Yeah, so that's what happens when it's real diamonds. That actually does not even surprise me looking at these. It's ridiculous, man. That's ridiculous. Nothing is coming up on this. That red right there was metal if you touch metal. Garbage. Garbage. Drink splattered all over the wall. Next up. So I would not recommend so far buying anything off Wish. I thought, well, it's not too good to be true. I just thought it was for getting it on Wish. Once again, I'm not super mad. I'll take the loss, but I'll return it anyway. Next up, this one right here. That's metal if it goes red. I don't know if y'all can see. Right there. Yeah, absolutely nothing. What a load of crap. So they literally just put on the same thing that they usually sell on their website for a lot more money to trick you. Let's test it again. Let's do the ring this time. I'm shaky. There we go. It's real. Screw it. Just don't purchase. I was really happy that we could do this, but no, don't purchase those. I would just strongly recommend not. I think it's just some price ups of people. I don't know how that website works with putting stuff on. I just wouldn't necessarily trust it at all. So don't spend your money on it. I was really hoping we'd get a good piece out of it, but what can you do, man? Appreciate y'all for watching, making the game the greatest of all time. I hope to God I can return these. If anything though, if you guys want to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below, that would be awesome. We took an L today. We take an L pretty much every time we do a video, but maybe this time we'll take a W in terms of getting this video monetized. So appreciate y'all for watching, man. You're making the game the greatest of all time. Y'all are the goats, bro. Appreciate y'all. Blah. So, quick update. I don't know if you can do this with gold. but I just got kind of annoyed off camera and tried to snap this thing. I don't think that I'd be hearing cracks like this if it was real gold, bro. So now I'm testing the gold part. This is bonus part of the video. Ugh. Don't try that at home. Yeah, she bends. I don't know if gold bends that way. I don't know if that was the proper test, but garbage. It's garbage. It's all garbage. Appreciate it. Hopefully got this in 10 minutes.